Hi, Victoria.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
I'm great. I'm excited because I'm going on vacation next month.
Really? That's wonderful.
Yes, I'm going to visit Spain.
I've always wanted to go there.
Have you traveled abroad before?
Yes, but only once.
Where did you go?
I went to France 2 years ago.
Did you enjoy it?
Absolutely. It was an amazing experience.
That's great.
Is this your first international trip?
Yes, it is.
Then you must be very excited.
I am, but I'm also a little nervous
Why?
because I have never traveled alone before.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
What is the first thing you do when planning a trip?
I usually buy my plane ticket.
Me too.
Then I book a hotel.
How do you choose a hotel?
I read reviews online.
That's smart.
I also compare prices.
Hotels can be expensive.
Yes, especially during the holiday season.
I'm staying in a small hotel near the city center.
That's a good location.
I hope so.
Have you packed your suitcase yet?
Not yet.
When are you going to start?
Probably a week before the trip.
I always pack at the last minute.
Really?
Yes, and I always forget something.
Like what?
A charger, a toothbrush, or a pair of socks.
That's funny.
What do you usually pack first?
Clothes.
That's a good start.
Then I pack my passport and travel documents.
Those are the most important things.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Thankfully, no.
Me neither.
But I almost missed one once.
What happened?
I arrived at the airport very late.
Why?
There was heavy traffic.
That's stressful.
Very stressful.
Did you catch the flight?
Yes, but I had to run through the airport.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. How early do you usually arrive at the airport?
About 3 hours before an international flight.
That's a good idea.
I don't like taking risks.
Neither do I.
What do you do while waiting?
I usually get a coffee and read something.
I like walking around the airport.
Looking at the shops?
Exactly.
Airports have interesting stores.
And expensive snacks.
That's true.
Do you enjoy flying?
Most of the time.
Most of the time?
I don't like turbulence.
Nobody likes turbulence.
What about you?
I enjoy looking out the window,
Me too.
especially during takeoff.
Everything looks so small from above.
It's amazing.
What places do you want to visit in Spain?
Barcelona and Madrid.
Good choices.
I want to see famous buildings and museums.
Do you like history?
Yes, I do.
Then you'll have a great time.
I also want to try local food.
That's one of the best parts of traveling.
What's the best food you've tried while traveling?
French pastries.
Were they good?
They were delicious.
Do you take many photos when you travel?
Hundreds.
Hundreds.
Maybe even thousands.
That's a lot.
What about you?
Not so many.
Why not?
I sometimes forget.
Then you'll regret it later.
You're probably right.
What's your dream destination?
Japan.
Mine too.
Really?
Yes, I'd love to visit Tokyo.
So would I.
What interests you most?
The culture, the food, and the technology.
Same here.
Maybe we should go someday.
That's not a bad idea.
Have you ever had a funny travel experience?
Yes, I have.
Tell me.
One time I got on the wrong train.
Oh no.
I realized it after 20 minutes.
What did you do?
I got off at the next station and took another train.
Were you lost?
A little.
That's a good story now.
It is now, but it wasn't funny at the time. Have you ever gotten lost while traveling?
Not yet.
Yet?
My first international trip is next month. There's still time.
That's true.
I hope my phone's GPS helps me.
It probably will.
Technology makes traveling easier.
Definitely.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with friends?
With friends.
Why?
Because I can share the experience.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I think I like both.
Really?
Traveling alone gives you more freedom.
That's true. What do you always bring when you travel?
My passport, phone, charger, and headphones.
Good choices.
What about you?
A small notebook.
Why?
I like writing about my trips.
That's a great idea. What's the most important travel advice you can give?
Arrive early and stay organized.
Good advice.
What about you?
Be open to new experiences.
I like that.
Traveling is about learning and exploring.
Exactly. Today, Adam and Victoria talked about traveling, airports, hotels, flights, packing, sightseeing, food, and travel experiences. These are common topics that can help you communicate while traveling in English. Try listening to this conversation again and repeat the sentences out loud. This is a great way to improve your speaking and pronunciation. Now we'd like to hear from you. What country would you like to visit? And what is your dream destination? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. In the next episode, Adam and Victoria will talk about food, restaurants, and ordering meals in English. Thanks for listening. See you next time. Goodbye.
Thank you for listening to Fremar Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with a friend. See you in the next episode.